Okay.
Oh, hello. It's me, Rusty. Just out here. Me and my friend actually are doing a YouTube battle. I'll put a link to her channel in the doobly-doo. Yeah, you can, like, whoever gets the most views, until this date right here, July 12th, 2010. Until then, just whoever you want to win, just check out their videos as much as possible. And, if you know me, if you've seen my videos, watch them again. Because we will be posting them frequently. She will be too. And, whoever it is, eat live worms or something like that. I'll put a link down there, this way. Follow the finger brick road. Scan. But yeah. So just yeah. You know how to get to my channel if you're watching this video. Duh. So watch.